टू मम्मी का मैजिक। मैं हूँ अमृता रायचंद और आई नो आप सोच रहे होंगे क्या बात है, लगता है अमृता आज कहीं बाहर जा रही है, बड़ा सज धज के खड़ी है। Well, अगर आप ऐसा सोच रहे हैं तो लेट मी क्लियर द कंफ्यूजन। मैं कहीं नहीं जा रही हूँ। इनफैक्ट आज मेरे घर एक स्पेशल गेस्ट आ रहे हैं जो स्पेशल होने के साथ साथ फ्रेंच है, यानी कि फ्रांस से हैं। So please welcome Chef Frederick from the very cute restaurant Chez Vous. Please
Hello,
come.
Amrita. How are you doing?
Hello, I'm very well. Please come here because today you're going to be my chef.
Excellent.
And the first thing you need to do is welcome and say hello to my viewers, but in the Hindi way, in the Indian way.
Namaste. आप कैसा है today?
Oh God, that was very bad Hindi, but I hope आप समझ गए होंगे कि ये आपको नमस्ते बोल रहे हैं और आप कैसे हैं. I'm sure they are all doing very well, Frederick. And first of all, tell me, what have you carried to my kitchen?
So today I carried first some hot chocolate sauce that we'll use to style our dessert. And today I brought as well some molds, silicone molds that we're going to use for madeleines.
So come on, chef, should we start making the madeleines?
We're going to start making the madeleine. We start with the eggs. For 24 madeleines, we're going to use 3 eggs. So that's the first one. Nice breaking technique, you see, French touch.
Okay.
Now, Amrita, you are going to help me out pouring the sugar while I will be whisking. Because
Okay.
cooking is as well a teamwork.
Lovely indeed it is. Another tip for you. आप अपने husband को बुलाइए अपने kitchen में और साथ में पकाइए कुछ मजेदार. Cooking can be a great way of bonding.
You see, every time that you whisk, what you should do with your whisker is just to take this and to check if you have the right consistency.
Like that.
And then it means that you can move forward with all the other ingredients. We are going to add some milk.
Okay, तो पहले अंडे डाल दिए, फिर हमने चीनी डाल दी, अच्छे से whisk कर लिया. अब हम इसमें डाल रहे हैं दूध.
And what is extremely important is to integrate slowly, incorporate slowly all the ingredients.
Right.
And every time between moving to the next ingredient, you should have the right consistency. So now let's put some honey.
दूध के बाद अब हम डाल रहे हैं honey, बच्चों का favorite and I think माओं का भी because it's a much healthier version of sugar. Okay, so the honey has gone in.
Yep.
हम अभी भी whisk कर रहे हैं इसे अच्छी तरह से.
Yeah.
Now you're going to slice
Yeah.
the lemon.
Exactly.
Okay.
We're going to put a bit of lemon juice.
नींबू हम इसलिए डाल रहे हैं ताकि उसे हल्का सा टैंगी टेस्ट मिले और जो मिठास है मैडेलिन की उसे हल्का सा कट करे. So it'll give a nice tangy, interesting twist to our sweet, lovely biscuits.
So
Okay.
Amrita, I'm going to ask you to pour very slowly.
Very slowly. Should I use
flour.
a spoon?
Yeah, if you feel
Okay.
more comfortable with a spoon.
Okay.
And just do like that so that there is like really like powder, flour powder.
Okay,
that is-
so basically मैं इन्हें help कर रही हूँ
Exactly.
ये मैदा डालने के लिए धीरे-धीरे. Okay.
And you see that the consistency has become thicker.
Yes.
Very nice, very soft, very homogeneous. Look at this.
Lovely. थोड़े patience के साथ, थोड़े प्यार के साथ, और थोड़ा सा magic के साथ इसे हम तैयार करेंगे. Okay, should I put the final bit?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Okay, lovely. Consistency इतनी बहुत ही अब thick हो गई है, velvety हो गई है in fact.
We're going to take some unsalted butter, making it melted, and we're going to incorporate it slowly
Okay.
in the preparation.
Okay, so you're gonna heat the butter?
Yes, but very slowly.
इसे बहुत ध्यान से मेल्ट करना होगा क्योंकि हम नहीं चाहते हैं कि ये जल जाए. It's
The
perfect
consistency
now.
is perfect.
Okay, we'll
We
turn
can
this
stop
off
it.
now.
And we're just going to add it. Hopla.
Okay.
As we say in French, hopla.
Apla. What does that mean?
It means just let's go.
Let's go. Okay, apla. So even I've learned something today. आप हिंदी सीखिए और मैं French सीखती हूँ. ये कितना thick होना चाहिए? Exactly, it should be flowing like this.
It should be flowing. You know, when we are going to put it in the oven, the flour is going to become more solid, going to be more consistent and a bit harder.
Okay.
Now, in all the cake, what we want when in bakery, we want it to rise.
Right, definitely.
So what are we going to use now, chef?
Baking soda.
Exactly.
Okay.
Now what we can do is we can take our molds, just put a bit in the mold, just to fill the hole in the gap, and then we'll put them in the oven at 180 degrees during 10 minutes.
Okay, and do I need to preheat it?
Yeah, you need to preheat it, obviously, yes.
At what temperature?
200 degrees will do.
200. So I'll just be back. I'll just
Okay.
do that and come back.
So you see, the consistency is perfect.
Okay.
We're going to try making a very nice job. Slowly,
Lovely.
slowly.
Okay, so you have to move it like this?
Yes.
Okay, that looks lovely, Fred. I'm super excited about these madeleines.
But I think that you should participate a bit, Amrita. You
Okay.
should fill up the 3 last ones.
Okay, not a bad
Put
idea.
your personal touch into this dish.
I will. I'll put my magic in it. Okay, so that's a little bit here. अब इसे बहुत ही ध्यान से इस मूवमेंट के साथ
Smooth movement.
स्मूथ मूवमेंट, क्योंकि हम चाहते हैं कि पूरा जो बैटर है वो लेवल उसका बिल्कुल ठीक रहे। तो चलिए इसे डाल दें ओवन में।
हाँ.
हाँ,
चलो।
okay, चलो। Okay, it's a teamwork
Yeah,
indeed.
no, it's difficult.
So,
you cannot do alone, no?
Let's go. Okay.
It's how she thinks.
Turn around. They are smelling divine, Fred. Okay. Can I just pounce on them right now?
No. Let me do it first.
Okay. Okay, why don't you take it out? Frederick कह रहे थे कि ये बहुत ही अच्छा in between meal बन रहा है, क्योंकि हमने एक प्यारा सा मैडेलिन तैयार किया है, उसके साथ डार्क चॉकलेट का सॉस दिया है और साथ में थोड़े से कट फ्रेश फ्रूट्स दिए हैं। ये एक बहुत ही हेल्दी और बहुत ही मजेदार स्नैक है बच्चों के लिए।
Excellent. How do you find it now?
Oh, find it lovely. बहुत ही अच्छी रेसिपी है और बहुत ही आसान भी है इसे बनाना। चलिए देख लीजिए इसका क्विक रिकैप।
मैडलिन्स बनाने के लिए एक बड़े बोल में 3 अंडों को अच्छे से फेंट लें। फिर उसमें 180 ग्राम चीनी को एक विस्क की मदद से फेंटें। अब इस मिक्सचर में 60 ml दूध मिलाएं और फिर 30 मिलीलीटर शहद को मिक्स कर दें। फिर इसमें 210 ग्राम पिघला हुआ मक्खन और 1 नींबू का रस डालकर मिलाएं। साथ ही में 210 ग्राम मैदा और 9 ग्राम बेकिंग पाउडर को भी फोल्ड कर दें और स्मूथ मिक्सचर बनने तक मिक्स कर लें। अब इस तैयार मिक्सचर को सिलिकॉन मोल्ड में 180 से 200 डिग्री सेल्सियस पर 10 से 15 मिनट के लिए बेक करें। ओवन से निकालकर डीमोल्ड करें। चॉकलेट सॉस और ताज़ा कटे फलों जैसे सेब या कीवी के साथ सर्व करें।